Anim sila, pinaila ng kaso ng serious illegal detention at saka kidnapping. Dahil nga, hindi tayo makapag-file ng murder with the absence of the body of the crime. Yung mga katawan, hindi na-recover. So, pinaila natin sila. Talagang pinalo up natin sa CIDG na mapailan sila ng kaso. At napailan nga. Pero yun nga, yung follow-up sa committee report natin, we directed the CIDG and the NBI to continuously investigate the case para talaga matukoy kung sino yung mga malaking tao na nasa likod. Dahil the disappearance of 34 man yun, di ba, ang ating record sa committee, there were 8 cases that we investigated, 8 cases involving 34 missing sabongeros. So, hindi man siguro mag-disappear yung ganun laking 34 na mga tao kung walang nasa likuran dyan na very influential. Di ba? At nagbibigay ng kumpas.
Pero Sen, dahil may bago ng mga lumabas na mga ebidensya at mga testigo, bubuksan niyo po ba ulit yung Senate inquiry kaugnay dito?
Nag-close na ba tayo? Nag-close na.
We
We have already closed our committee investigation and we have already submitted our committee report and it was adopted by the Senate. So yung aming committee report was adopted by the Senate. So unless siguro kung merong mag-file lang resolution from one of our colleagues, then I will be forced to reopen the investigation. Napakasama. Napakasama no na magpagamit tayo sa sindikato, if you call it sindikato. Police ka, you are there to uphold the law. You are there to enforce the law. Ngayon, binayulit mo yung batas para sumunod kung sino man nag-utos sa'yo na, I'm sure, in consideration of money. Ano pang motivation mo doon? Nagagawin yon kung hindi ka sinusuhulan. That's beyond your job description as a police operative na magkidnap ng tao at pumatay ng tao at itapon kung saan-saan.